All right, Stacks users, this is Eric here with Investor Central Club. And what I wanted to do today was go over some long-awaited updates that we've had for you guys, a little bit of a new interface, some new data that we've got, and some additional helpful tools for you guys. First off, what I wanted to point out is I wanted to show you guys our old interface of Stacks. That way we can quickly compare to what the new updates look like. Our previous release, we do have our gold bars for our big money prints. We have our blue bars for our unusual, and we do also have Stacks AI as well. We do also include voice alerts for you guys in the options block and in the equity blocks as well. Now, quickly to switch over, when you go check out our new release, which will be released this weekend in March, what you'll notice real quick is a new front page. We've got our app store, got our ratings and everything, and some quick updates that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you go into our new interface, what you'll quickly notice is now we actually have a sell and buy side signal as well. What we've done is we've actually utilized a newer data source in where we actually are able to identify if these options are actually being purchased or sold. What you can understand is that if they are buys of puts, you'll notice the red box around the ticker. If you notice that they're buy of calls, it's going to be green. But if it's a sell of puts, that's technically a hedge and actually in the positive side. And if you notice a sell of the calls, that's actually a red or playing the downside. So what you'll quickly notice is that there's going to be additional information in here. And what I do want to point out is that any sort of sell situation, generally not as strong of an indicator. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. What we did now include as well, you'll notice at the top, is that we actually have a way for you to quickly filter and show only the buys. This will really help out in terms of noticing where the money is going and how they're playing the up or the downside as well. The green and the red definitely helps with the ease of identification of what's about to happen or what the big money, the large institutions, the hedge funds, what they're expecting in terms of these tickers. Now, the buys are basically the main additional tick box that we have up here. But what you also will quickly notice too is that on the top right, we actually now have this settings button, which is actually our notifications. We've been waiting for this for quite some time. A lot of people have been asking us for notifications. And what you can do in here is you can go ahead and set notifications for yourself. Now, for example, if I wanted to search for and only allow my Tesla calls or Tesla puts to be coming in, what you can quickly do is whatever you filtered, go ahead and click on this, and you're able to enable those push notifications. And if you do want to disable them, you have your current ones that you can go and hit disable on. You know, just a quick visual for you guys. So for example, if I want all my big money prints to come in and be able to be notified of them in real time, I can go in and enable them. When the premiums are over $1 million, I can enable that. If I just want Stacks AI prints to show up, I can do that as well. Push notifications for just our Stacks AI prints. All right. If you do have questions, are unsure of how to use these tools, please send us a message over at help@investorcentralclub.com. We're more than happy to help you guys out and help you guys figure these things out. We do also have a chat box down here. If you do want to send it out in there, we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Well, that's our update for our new Stacks AI interface. We're very excited to show you guys. We all do believe that this additional information for us is going to make quite a big difference. Being able to identify the buys and the sells really do make quite a difference when it comes down to the analysis of the markets. Again, this is Eric here with InvestorCentralClub.com. Stacks AI, quite a useful, powerful tool for you guys to use. Please do not hesitate to let us know if you have any questions with our new update. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.